Wait, he legitimately went to get fucking Cheetos.
Alright, I got my Cheetos.
Oh my god, he
Bro.
What?
was not an action. I thought you were lying about that.
Okay, in reality, they're like the off-brand Cheetos that you get from Target. But you know, it's Cheetos
The
enough.
cheese puffs?
Yeah. Allowed to have food, Mom?
I don't know about that one.
I love to
What?
Wait,
What?
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 You just wait. Time out. What were you gonna say?
Nothing.
Not finish that sentence?
Finish what sentence?
My
Can
god,
you say
Mom.
that more clearly?
Oh,
Can you say that in a less sexual manner?
Oh god.
what I use,
I don't
CJ.
know, dude. Use the minigun.
Minigun? I
Yes.
don't know, man. Seems scary.
Nah, man.
Changed my mind.
We're doing Hotline, Florida.
Miami Heat.
You could have just said the Miami Raptors and be like, I would have been none the
Bro.
wiser.
Needs to be basketball, dude.
Yeah, the Raptors is not in Miami though.
What? I'm just gonna stick with my boy LeBron.
Okay, so I wasn't going to like fucking well retarded.
CJ, are you okay?
Why do you have the Doc pistol? Wait, why does it? Okay, it doesn't even say Nora is even like infamy or anything. It just says Nora.
Sneak it to level 100 and I'll show my infamy.
You gotta flex that way, man. Come on.
Yeah, I gotta flex my skins, you know? My god, no, I hate the sniper scope you suggested, Cat. Sniper scope takes up so much of my fucking
Wait, why are you
FOV.
using a sniper scope?
You said to do it.
When?
You're like, it'd be funny joke, and I'm like, yeah, you're right, it
Yeah, I
would be
said
funny.
it would be
joke.
funny. That's why I told you to use it 'cause it's a joke.
I regret it. It takes out so much FOV, like a cloaker could come right in front of me and I won't even see it.
Yo, there's a claymore here and it's not. Oh, there you go. What the fuck?
Alright.
Meth, right?
Yeah, I found the meth lab.
Oh, what the fuck? The guy just jumped at me. Hello.
See this red line right here?
Yep, I see it.
Touch it.
Oh my
Fucking
god,
touch
chat.
it. Friend,
Spadoodle.
hydrogen chloride.
What the?
Gross.
Alright,
Cat, where are you
Cat,
going
can
down?
you
Cat
fucking
span.
stop? Why you keep?
Ah!
Nora, what the? Why are you?
I get the cops! There's weak cops that shot me!
Okay, that's understandable. We cops are fucking terrible. Okay.
Maybe I would go on this motel like it's Normandy, bro. Look at this.
No, this is friggin' Hotel Bravo.
Hotel Rwanda?
Oh my
Hotel
god, that
Rwanda.
movie? Cut the tall trees down. Cut the tall trees down.
My armor!
I'm dealing with the sniper. There, he's dead.
Alright, chill, Torbjorn. Alright.
Neil said Overwatch was a good game.
Did he?
I mean, I'm not surprised that he did. I'm gonna be real,
Yeah.
like given everything,
Yeah,
everything else about
remember
him.
he
I'm
was like-
totally not surprised that he said.
I've known Daniel for like 2 years, and sometimes what he says still surprises me. Oh, Cat, where are you?
I'm hiding.
You bitch! No, I'm gonna get down by this fucking taser. Oh, hey, Cat.
Hey, I saved you. I'm a good son.
Nor blow up the fucking meth lab.
That would be
I
a funny
can't
prank. Or funny it happened. Why did the gas station blow up?
we had to blow up the gas station. What do you mean?
I don't remember that being part of the plan.
It's always
It was
part of the plan.
What?
Cat,
Oh,
cat,
God.
Cat, please tell me you're pranking us right now.
Okay, this one I got. That one I got down. Seriously, that was not funny joke. Fucking- The cop just walked through the wall. See, Payday is still an optimized game.
Dude,
It is.
what do you expect?
I expect overkill graphics and overkill gameplay experience. Except it's just overkilling my soul.
Why is there a converted cop floating?
I wanted him. Wait, that's Chow just shot him.
Quick.
Chow!
It's
Yo,
fair game.
you're out here being thirsty.
Bend over. Yeah, there you go.
I don't like
Wow, that's a lot.
Damn, that's a lot of money for meth. Holy shit.
Well,
Me as
seems
well.
like Chow's gonna become a meth dealer.
No, bro. I'm staying loyal to my day one cocaine.
It's like the same thing, though.
No, it's not actually. Surprisingly enough, the manufacturing process is also a lot different, and cocaine is actually natural.
Alright, I actually don't want to know how you know this.
No, like, you actually have to look that shit up.
He's a drug lord.
Usually meth is artificial and coke is natural.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
There's a reason why, like, when you go to like
Cat, you
meth labs
bitch,
require
better
like
get
these
down.
whack ass chemicals, like because yeah, it's artificial. Then cocaine
Here,
you
Cat, have a
harvest it from
cupcake.
Learned that apparently Chow was into making coke.
like
You want
also the reason why is because I've been watching Narcos the entire day. That's the reason why.
Oh, okay. Howdy.
Alright, you wanna take me on? Let's go, Capullo.
You're a
Oh, there's a
Capullo.
sniper there. Okay, I don't wanna. Oh, this hurts.
Cat.
Oh, Cat, your bones, bro.
Imagine friendly fire being on right now. Haha, that would be funny.
Funny joke. I love
Shut
it.
No, your jokes are not funny.
Has it.
Wait, what? What do you mean?
Yeah,
I have
planks.
planks? I
No,
have
he has a
planks.
crowbar. He transformed it down. I don't want to die. No. Wait, my armor's
You're
back up.
dying, Nora. You gotta accept the fact we all die at some point.
Go
Give
to
me
heck.
ingredients.
bulldozer.
Oh, hey, there's ingredients right here.
Isn't there a doctor's bag
Yeah,
like
there's a
somewhere up
doctor's
there?
bag in one of the good hotels.
I already used all of those.
What the
fuck?
CJ,
I'm just gonna watch my converts. Just watch me watch them.
Yo, you don't know, man. These drug lords have, like, they're loaded.
well,
My
Cat,
God.
clearly we haven't seen me yet.
Hold on, this is my meth.
Wow, he's already getting protective over his meth.
Running a friggin' support build.
And he's not even supporting us.
Oh
Hey,
shit!
I
I downed
did-
myself.
Goodbye.
What happened to you?
my bone.
I shot an HE round at a shield, and I guess the explosion hit the claymore.
What
And,
are
Let me
again?
just cupcake.
Let me see here.
let Nora
Oh, I need
finish
to put in
his-
the last one. Yeah, let me
Yeah,
finish
let
it.
Nora finishes. But he goes move, counter strike, and then huckle.
All right.
Did you say boom Counter Strike Huckle?
Yeah, I think I said cat.
I thought you were trying to pronounce like some beer brand.
There's a beer brand called Huckle.
I know it starts with an H.
I like it that my. Oh no, that's because
CG.
What? What?
Bro, I don't need dick when I'm trying to like shoot people.
They be out here living the life of getting pounded by a dozer.
I know, right?
Knees, yeah, and a what?
Whoa, hold time out. Chow already said he didn't need dick while he's shooting.
Mine's gonna have. It's gonna be helmetless.
Dude, he has to get. He needed the helmet to get rid of the get rid of the voices in his head.
You know the voice in his head just says helmet that has a radio. Can you read?
Meth
Can you
out
read
here.
pictures, Cat?
Huh?
Can you read pictures?
No, I can't read pictures. I can look at them, but I can't read them.
But can you
maybe
taste
that's why.
Yes, I can, and it tastes like paper.
Yoink.
Oh, wait, what the fuck? I didn't know you could do this. Hold on, wait. Oh my god.
God damn it.
Come in here. Come in here.
Wait a minute.
Avocado. Like 4 guys in here.
Oh, let's all go in there then.
Oh man. Mm.
You can literally name 4 guys in. Wait, is this glass breakable? No, it's not. Yo.
This is the safest place, the bathroom. They didn't lie to us.
Wait. Watch this until it pops up. It gives me the prompt. Oh, it gave me the prompt. God damn it.
Why's it looking there? I see
Yo,
nothing.
cat be looking like a. Oh, hey.
Hey.
I didn't even know you. I was looking at my phone. Wait, you have a revolver with a red dot sight on? I was gonna call you Apple. Cat, get your meth back.
Hold up, it's hot.
God damn it, Cat! Stop dying on me.
Yeah, what the fuck? Get your apple.
the-
Get your
I need-
fucking fuck.
Get your apple.
Get your cupcake.
Fucking apple, bro. Apple. Get your ass on page.
Why is there a shield right under here? Die.
Wait, why did the friggin' bag fall down?
Because
Ah!
it's a bag. It wanted to be free, and
Alright.
I have no idea. I'm just here to cook meth and hopefully not die.
What's on the menu? Meth? Meth with apple?
Oh my eyes, bro.
And then you have cocaine.
That's just like,
Damn. Chow
bitch.
really,
Ow. Fuck.
Chow really be the root and two in Sharpshooter.
You okay there, Chow?
Bro, everything hurts. My bones hurt.
Okay, time to use a different build.
Damn, you have multiple builds, bro. God
Yeah.
damn.
Reload speed on this fucking Clarion so bad.
Yeah,
What do you
dude.
expect? Come
What-
on.
what- if anyone gets down during this part, we leave them behind. Lost in this map before.
Oh, hello. Free money. Why is this guy talking about ass fuck?
Oh my
He's into
god.
that.
Because something's fucking me right now.
Right, you got
Yeah.
one.
Okay, I'm gonna. Oh,
Am I getting it?
there goes the.
Ow!
He left a leg. Is this a leg? What is that?
You just shoot a camera.
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Why are you shooting the cameras?
What's it? What good is it for us?
I don't know.
What's the comments I'm gonna do? Fucking videos meat to us? Fucking killing people?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Wait, time out. I didn't actually expect a response.
Bulldozer.
Oh, let me kill. No! Bulldozer, come down here. Fight me. Fight me.
Ask him nicely first.
Okay, fight me, nerd.
Alright. You lost Happy Meal privileges. Dad teach you this.
No, Dad just ran away with the SIGs.
Now goes here, help, cat!
I'm coming.
Challenging it for you now.
What?
Even if I may have it, you know, I don't know if I have it or not.
I'll hate you.
I'll
I
endure
probably
my
do.
life.
For Bolshevik 2 Electric Boogaloo.
Bolshevik 2
300.
Electric Boogaloo.
This deadass what? Yeah, we're just a bunch of people trying to kill this one powerful Russian guy, right? It's basically the fucking Bolshevik revolution.
Oh, thanks
Hey,
for
CJ.
body blocking me.
Yeah, CJ, you want to take care of those guys for me, you know?
Oh, we're both repairing it?
Yeah. For the Wildcat.
I told you you need dozer kills with the G3. Or, okay, maybe I left the G3 part out, but still.
You left the G3 part out. Yeah, Cat. Thanks, best friend. Look, there's another dozer I'm gonna take now.
Just kill him. Shit. That's a double cloaker. What the fuck?
Only a year? Damn, that means we could camp here for 2 years and he'd be dead.
Logic there, by the way, Nora. We camp for a year, so we'll camp here for 2 years and you'll die.
Yeah.
A bit more counterproductive.
What do you mean?
Camped there for 2 years.
Yeah, he was starved to
But
death.
you will last
Easy.
for 1 year.
Yeah. Gotta make sure he's dead, you know?
We got 110 seconds.
Aw man, 3 minutes.
Is it at like 2 minutes?
It's under 2 minutes though.
Wait,
Cat.
did you say 120 or 180?
I said 110.
Oh, I registered that as 180 for some reason.
Damn that map. 1 minute.
So 120 seconds, right?
Stop.
He just missed.
No! I was reloading! You killed him!
That wasn't me.
Blaming Cat for everything.
Fuck you, Nora.
Did we not get the achievement?
We didn't.
I don't know.
Did we not?
We didn't.
Fuck. Was one of us wearing the wrong mask?
I think you were wearing the wrong mask.
I was wearing Dennis.
Cat?
Cat.
That. Oh my god.
Damn, we just gotta do this all over again. I'm
Okay,
down to do it all over again though. Shit.
I didn't realize I would change my mask too.
God damn it, cat.
Alright, time to.
Wait,
That's
that one's on me.
joke.
Fucker.
Then now it's for an actual reason.
I was like, I thought we were all using the mask. I'm like, but then
Yeah.
I started noticing like the red glow around you. So I'm like, wait, that's not right. Like, and Nora was like, maybe you were using it wrong. I was like, what do you mean? I'm wearing Dennis. I didn't change my build.
The color I'm trying to get.
Good question.
One wearing the fucking right mask.
Shut up, CJ.
Little shit.
Fuck you.
I was just thinking, I'm just like, as I was walking by, like, as I'm walking behind Cat, I'm like, why does he have this red trail going behind him? I immediately look at Cat, he's like fucking mega chase.
I'm like,
Motherfucker!
change my build.
He did a funny joke on us, guys.
I
Yeah.
know, right? I just
Yeah,
like
what
the
a
fact that
meme.
Nora's like, maybe you were wearing the wrong mask. Like, and Nora puts the blame on me quickly. Like, what the fuck?
I had to blame someone. Change your build, cat.
Yeah, did you change your
No.
build count? Oh,
Look, am I wearing the
It's like a
fake
cat.
mask?
Yeah,
Tell
you're
me.
wearing
It's
the
okay,
fake
okay.
mask. Alright,
Okay,
let's
okay,
go.
good.
Fucking little shit.
Fuck
Yeah.
you, mom.
I kinda want a pretzel now.
Damn, I go for
I'm
one.
gonna die.
What happened to you?
I blew up.
Sniper, I'm leaving.
I like how Chow says I'm leaving and he immediately goes back inside. I'm supposed to come back home now.
Okay, my mom's here pick me up from the airsoft game, bro. I'll see you guys next weekend.
Hit the dozer.
Where?
I marked him.
Stop being
He's
lazy,
only
cat.
up-
Look at that. Look, he's being lazy again.
Yeah,
God.
I already took out his faceplate for you, so it saves you the time.
Thank you, mom.
But I guess that's not what you want then. I'll just go whatever dozer I see then.
Sad face.
I don't want to hear that shit from you, Mr. I'm gonna switch my mask last second.
I did it. Okay.
Yeah, they're both empty. Look. Oh shit.
you have the bag.
The empty. See. Oh, that's a claymore. Wait, it didn't detonate.
No,
Yeah,
that's
that's
the
a
trip
teammate.
mine.
Oh,
That's a
okay,
teammate.
that's good. Get out of here.
Dummy.
Damn, he just got pranked.
What the hell was that?
It was a trip mine. See, it was an enemy trip mine. Cat almost died to
In
it.
front of me. I just hugged it. This prank sucks now.
Alright, Cat, don't fucking switch your kit.
I do what I want when I want.
I swear to God.
I'm bringing a friend. His name is Frederick.
Cat.
What?
Wait, Cat's wearing the right mask. Okay, we good. What? Why?
I told you, I'm bringing my friend Frederick. Go, Roncho. I'll be with Frederick.
Understandable.
Come on, we're gonna have a house party.
Don't follow me. Wait.
Frederick.
Oh, he died.
Wait, what? Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Honestly,
Cat shot him. Just admit it, Cat. You shot Frederick.
but Frederick looked at me funny. There,
See,
wait
I'm working on it.
Oh shit!
What?
He fucking died, dude.
It's bullshit, but
He
okay.
died like Frederick.
They put a made an impact on you,
He looked at me funny.
but you killed him.
But he looked at me funny. He was laughing
probably
at my
looked at
face. He was like, "You look like a pig."
Wow. Building character. Who does that?
I do.
Pretty sad if you ask me.
Even though
Wow.
you killed your only friend.
Yeah.
And Nora's my friend.
Oh shit. I'm dead then. I guess. Pick up though. I mean, ammo pickup.
Yeah, he has armor pickup, bruh.
Yeah, you can pick up armor. That's why it's armor piercing. He gave Bane a couple free white hair.
I thought Bane was old.
He is old.
He's 90 years old, don't you know?
Is he really?
No, no.
He's Bill. He's secretly Bill.
Oh my
what?
God.
That one tapped me? I just got one tap.
You just got one tap.
Oh my god.
Man, you got one tap like Frederick. Like,
Blood money.
It's only like 2 bags of money, Bane. What the fuck?
He spent it all on coke. He was snorting coke.
he spent it on Frederick.
Frederick was the cause of his addiction.
Chow, I told you,
There we
Frederick
go.
was dead. Middle is where it's at.
Middle is where the home's at. Bitch.
CJ not getting an attachment. He gets the vampire.
Bruh, be like that sometimes.
It really be like that.